folks, here's a little tutorial on working with what we've already included in the template, animate.css and wow.js. Two different open source files. One is for animating CSS and one is for triggering that animation when the particular content comes into the viewport so it doesn't trigger early. So here is a page right here, and let's say we have this best-in-class documentation as an example. We want this to do something really cool as it scrolls into the viewport. So what we can do is we can actually find that piece of page in our website. I'll find this. I'll actually open up the we'll preview this page later, but we'll scroll on down, find it in our page somewhere. There it is right there. So you can add the wow and the animate.css to any block level element. It could be a heading, it could be a p tag, it could be anything, right? I suggest you use it liberally and just for content that you want to have sort of a call to action with or bring it out a little bit. But if we go to animate.css, you can just Google animate.css and the first page that'll show up will be the website. You can apply any of these effects to any piece of content or text within your website, and you can trigger it as that piece of content comes into the viewport of the web browser so it doesn't happen, when somebody's not looking at it. To make this happen, find your content. In this case, I would suggest using we're going to go with the article class here. We want the whole thing to sort of have the same animation, so you can sort of pick and choose. There's the H3 tag, there's the article tag there. That's a block level element. And we're going to go to the code view in this case, and where it says article class, right, what we're going to do is we're going to add two more classes right after where it says article class content. We're going to put a space and type in the word wow. Now this is the initiator that basically says we want to delay the animation until it's in viewport, and then we're going to hit the space bar and we're going to pick one of the animation classes from animate.css. Now you can't copy directly from here, but let's go rotate in. That's the effect right now. That's kind of big for that section. Slide in up. Let's go slide in up. And you have to watch your upper lowercase. It's slide, uppercase I, uppercase U. So we'll type in slide in up. We'll save and we'll preview the page. Okay, so we're previewing the page. Now the slide in up is probably not the best example because if I scroll down, well, I'll tell you what, I'll reload it and it'll show you the animation. There it is right there. It sort of slides in up. So probably not the best because you're already moving the page up in the same direction, so it doesn't have the same effect. Slide in down might have a bigger one because it's an opposite, right? And of course in web design opposites seem to attract, if you know what I mean. And we can do one of these here. There we go. Sort of slides in down, right? You can pick any effect that you want, zoom in, zoom out, that sort of a thing, and apply it to any piece of content, heading, text in your website just by adding those two classes.